Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn about parts of speech. Noun. Noun is a Latin word which is taken from the word nomen, which means name. It is used for those objects which exist in fact or in thought. Objects exist in fact means in reality, which we perceive through our five senses: sense of see, sense of smell, sense of hear, sense of taste, sense of touch. Example: bag. Bag is a name of thing. It designates a name of thing, so it is noun, and it can perceive by sense of see, so it is a noun. Now objects exist in thought. Objects exist in thought means idea point of view, mean such objects which we do not perceive by our any five of senses, but we can think of, just like democracy. Democracy is actually just we think of it, or it is idea, because it designate thought. Okay. Definition. So definition of noun is a part of a speech that is used to name a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Nouns, they can function as subjects, doer of action, direct objects, indirect objects, objects of prepositions, subjects, complements. Subject, part of speech. Subject is actually a part of speech. It designates or it indicates what is about whom, who performs. Example: Ahmad ordered a burger. Ahmad ordered a burger. Ahmad indicates here is a subject. It is a name of person, so it is a noun also, but it plays the role as a subject here in the beginning of the sentence. It is doer of action. Direct object is a part of speech. A direct object is a part of sentence. It asks question what. It asks question in the sentence what, means it represents a thing. It indicates about a thing. We can say it's a receiver of action. Here, same example, Ahmad ordered a burger. Now, Ahmad is a subject. It is a subject, and ordered is a verb, and a burger is object, but it is a direct object because it is about a thing. Indirect object is also part of a sentence. It asks only whom. Ahmad ordered a burger for him. Ahmad is here same plays role as a subject. Ahmad is here subject. It designate name of person. Ordered is representing as action verb. A burger, it is a name of thing, so it is a direct object. For him is indirect object because it is about person. It indicates person. She, number second example is here. She sent him a present. She sent him a present. She is a subject, but it is a pronoun here. Sent is a verb, action verb, and him indicates person, so it is an indirect object. A present is a name of thing, or it is direct object. Objects of preposition. Object of preposition is also part of a sentence. It indicates noun or noun phrase. We can say object of preposition means the preposition which followed by Noun is known as object of preposition, or it indicates a noun phrase that follows a preposition. It is used as object. Example, he sat on the chair. He sat on the chair. Now on is preposition here, and the chair is noun, and chair is noun. So noun follows a preposition that is known as object of preposition. It is noun phrase, we can also say. So it is object of preposition. The book is on the table. Second example, here on is preposition, table is noun. So table followed preposition on, so it is also object of preposition. The cat was hiding under the chair. The cat was hiding under the chair. Here chair is noun and under is preposition. So noun followed by preposition, it is also object of preposition. Subject complement. Subject complement is also part of a sentence. It is just we can say additional information about subject. Subject complement gives additional information about subject or indicates additional information about subject. Subject complement, a noun follows a linking verb. A noun follows a linking verb. What is a linking verb? Linking verb is a verb that links subject to subject complement. For example is am, are, was, were. These are linking verbs. Example, Hania is a gifted athlete. Hania is gifted athlete. Hania is here as a subject. It is a doer of action. Is linking verb because it links subject with subject complement. Athlete is subject complement. Athlete is a name of person or its noun. We can say it is noun. It did designate noun. So it is a subject complement. Second example, Sarah is helpful neighbor. Sarah is a helpful neighbor. Sarah is a subject and neighbor is also a neighbor is noun, but it is a subject complement here because here it is playing role as subject complement. As we know, subject complement takes a linking verb. Is here linking verb, and linking verb links subject with subject complement. So it is neighbor is here subject complement. Hope so you understand this this knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and comment. Inshallah I'll further upload videos. Thank you.